Aunt Edith, I think you're gonna need a new tailpipe. And I think we're gonna need a new muffler. And a new catalytic converter. Aunt Edith, you ought to take it to Oildale Muffler. You know, it's out there by the airport.
Action.
Aunt Edith, I think you're gonna need a new tailpipe. What do you think?
Tape is rolling. And this is take 2. Action.
Aunt Edith, I think you're gonna need a new tailpipe.
Bravo. Good.
Boy, I'm an actor, you know what?
Good job. Good. Oh, good. I just a little part of this there, right there. Okay, here we go. This is take 3. Ready? Action.
Aunt Edith, I think we're gonna need a new tailpipe. Oh, sick. I heard that car over there and I knew it was wrong. You want me to look at the tailpipe or you want me to look at it in the camera?
Look at the tailpipe and then ready. On. This is take 4. Action.
Aunt Edith, I think you're gonna need a new tailpipe.
This is converter. Take 1. And action.
And a catalytic converter. Wasn't good.
Yeah, you're gonna have to
You had it a little. We'll keep on going. Over there, I think you've come down too soon, Delyn.
Where do you want it?
That's good.
Okay, wait a minute. This tailpipe in there. I'll never be able to say tailpipe again. I'm moving this to get it that far back, though, Brent.
No, you're gonna put it right in my shot.
I know.
Okay, let me see if I can
But
move
see, that gets it higher. That gets it higher. You'll have to have him move back that way some.
Okay. I'll move back down this way just to.
All right.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. Right back. Just a tad more this way. There you go. Kind of peek over the top of the tailpipe so you can see the camera, like you're looking at Annie, like Annie is over here after it's over. Look at watch it,
Watch it fall.
and then peek over the top of it, like it's kind of like, oops.
Okay.
Do you want that? Is that
Well, you want me to say, well, golly.
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay, we're rolling. This is Cat. Take 2. Action.
And a catalytic converter.
So peek over the top there. This is Cat. Take 3. And action.
And a new catalytic converter.
That was Wonderful.
That looked good.
That was really good. Action.
Ain't Edith? You better take it to Oildale Muffler.
We got a card on there. And then give me about a 4 count, and then say, you know, out by the airport.
No, wait just a second. You know, it's out there by the airport.
Yeah.
Okay?
You know. Yeah.
Remember when I said about that water? Then I sat in the gutter.
You sat in the
All
gutter
of a
and here
sudden
it
I was
comes.
feeling very wet.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
All
try
right.
it again.
Get the phone cord out of the gutter.
Oops. Okay.
Ready?
This time, give me the,
Ain't Edith? You know Ain't Edith? It's out there by the airport.
this time, well, start it with the Aunt Edith. Better take Oildale Muffler.
Okay.
You know, out there by the airport.
Okay.
Out by the airport. Try one more time. Just take 5. And action. Oh, give me a little smile in between the Oildale Muffler.
Okay.
You know, out by the airport.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, really? Get it and take 6. Action.
Ain't Edith? No muffler. Out there by the airport. That.
That was a good notion. Try it one more time. That was good.
Okay. Edith, you ought to take it to Oildale Muffler. Out there by the airport. That.
That was a good notion. Try it one more time. That was good.
Okay.
And this is take 7. Action.
Ain't Edith? You ought to take it to Oildale Muffler. You know, it's out there by the airport.
All of a sudden, all right, okay.
I've been on everything but feed on bad dogs today.
Don't make me laugh at muffler jiggles.
And ready and muffler fall. Take 1. Action.
And I think we're gonna need a muffler. It was
Muffler drop. Take 2. Action.
and I think we're gonna need a new muffler.
Alright. Stay low. Stay low in the
Stay
shot.
low.
Uh-huh. And also, this is take 3 and action.
And I think we're
Hold
gonna.
on. Okay. Remember to start. Flip your head. Look. So you spin around and give me the.
We're gonna need a new muffler.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Exactly.
Only it's you, not we.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think you gonna need a new muffler. Okay. Oh, there it is over there.
Wait a minute. What did happen? What happened here? Uh-oh. Now tape is rolling, and this is take 3, I think. Ready and action.
And I think we're gonna need a new muffler.
A little better. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. And action.
And I think we're gonna need a new muffler. I don't know. What do you think?
Well, besides